This video is brought to you today by Ghost Tags. This is my own company that I started because I wanted a glow-in-the-dark AirTag case. These things are awesome. You can stick them on your backpack, on your dog's collar, and you will be able to find it at night. We've got two colors, blue and green. They've got great reviews. Go check them out. Links to them down below. Now on to the video. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, we have a super exciting one for you guys. This is hot off the press. iPhone 15 Pro to come in blue and gray titanium, no gold expected. So this literally just broke over on 9to5Mac, and then MacRumors picked it up, and there's a lot to talk about here. So sit back, relax, let's get through this. Now this is not going over the iPhone 15 colors because we already talked about those in another video, so go check that out. There's gonna be more fun and playful colors. For the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max or Ultra, whatever they call it, it's gonna be a little more subdued. If you remember, or if you've been following my tweets, 9to5Mac mentioned that the iPhone 15 Pro's new color would be a red shade. MacRumors came out and teamed up with Unknowns21 and said it would be blue. And it was a duel. Whoever was gonna win was gonna come out on top. Turns out, MacRumors and Unknowns21, they were both correct. It is going to be a dark blue shade. 9to5Mac just came out today and said that they were wrong and it will not be red. So it sucks for them. It sucks for all of us because red would have looked awesome. I definitely do not want another phone that looks like this shade, but we'll talk about that here in a minute. And then MacRumors just had to go and rub salt into the wound, just calling 9to5Mac inaccurate. It's just rivalries at their best. But with this comes a couple of changes because the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 15 Ultra are coming in titanium, not stainless steel. Because of this, Apple has to change the colors up a little bit. Personally, I think it's because of the material. I don't think titanium works as well with different colors. So perhaps the gold and the purple, which they're dropping now, wouldn't work as well, with titanium as they do with stainless steel. Personally, I love the iPhone 13 Pro Gold. That was like peak perfection for color on a phone. I think that looked so royal and majestic and just rich. I think the iPhone 14 Pro Deep Purple is a close second. I think it looks great. I love it on my phone. And I like that I can still see them both daily and just see the progression of Apple. Now it looks like we are progressing to the special color this year, which will be blue. But hold up, this is not really the special color because every color is going to be new because it's all titanium instead of stainless steel. So every color is going to look a little bit different than normal. Now for me personally, I upgrade my phone every year. So I stopped getting the bland, silvers, whites, and blacks. Those are just boring phone colors. I started just going out there and getting the special color, which, like gold, even though that wasn't really the special color. And then last year I got the purple, the deep purple, it looks great. This year I was hoping to get the red because that would be so different. But if Apple comes out with a blue color, this looks a lot like the old Sierra blues and all the other blues that they've released that just look boring and uninspiring. Now it sucks for me to say that because this is probably the color I'll end up getting. But if you know anything about Apple leaks, the colors are always off. So this is likely not going to be the exact shade that Apple releases. Hopefully it will look a little bit better, a little more inspiring than this because this just looks dull and boring. But down here you can see it says 9to5Mac today said that it has also heard that Apple will be introducing a new dark blue color, which is supposedly this, which will be joined by silver, space gray, and a natural titanium shade. Now this part kind of piqued my interest here because if you know anything about the titanium shade of the Apple Watch Ultra, I'm looking at one right now, it's basically silver. It's got a tiny bit of gray in it. It's basically silver though. So if they were to put out a silver iPhone 15 Pro and a natural titanium shade, I don't know. That doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. So I'm thinking this might be inaccurate. Now I don't know. I could be wrong. Maybe they'll put out 4 colors, but it would make most sense if they did a blue color, space black, and natural titanium. I don't see any use for a silver color in here, but we'll see what they do. My guess is if they do it, it'll just be a slightly brighter, lighter color of the natural titanium shade, which looks good, but it's just kind of boring. But depending on how they finish this on the phone itself, it could look super, super premium and really good. And obviously the main benefit of titanium is that it's super strong and super lightweight compared to stainless steel. So I want to get your guys' thoughts on this. They're dropping the gold color, they're dropping the purple color, and they're adding this titanium shade and blue color. What do you guys think of that? I'm probably leaning towards the blue color, as long as it doesn't look like this, because this looks dumb. If not, maybe the natural titanium? I don't know. I mean, I think space black's kind of played out. It's boring. Titanium shade is okay. It's cool. Silver's boring. and the blue looks really dull. It just doesn't look like something that I would be happy to see every single day. Like when I see, even today, when I see the gold 13 Pro, I love it. When I see the 14 Pro purple every day, I love that too. But this, I would not be happy seeing every day. So hopefully it's different. Hopefully it looks a lot cooler, maybe a little brighter, something that doesn't look so dark. But again, let me know your thoughts. This is a breaking story today, and I think this is probably one of the biggest ones we've had all week because the color of the new iPhone is super exciting. So leave your thoughts and comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe though, because we've got these breaking stories like instantly. Like as soon as this comes out, we got a video on it. Like this just came out less than an hour ago. So thumbs up, subscribe, peace.